straight line rate. And all that means is what percentage, if you were going to do this straight line, what percentage would be appreciated each year. So the straight line rate on 5 years is 20%, right? You're going to be taking 20% each year. Same amount each year. So first you determine your straight line rate. Take the life of your equipment and divide by the number of years. You take the 100%, divide by the number of years, and you get how much percentage would be taken if we were doing it in straight lines. And what you do is we calculate the double declining rate. Straight line times 2. Makes sense, right? Double declining straight line. First straight your straight line, then you multiply times 2. That's the double. So double the straight line amount. Okay. So we compute the depreciation by looking at the book value that's left on the book and multiplying it times the double declining rate. And we repeat this over the life until we run out of value of the equipment. So what that means is, if the beginning book value is $2,400, and we figured that 20%, the straight line times 2, 40% on our double declining. So we take 40% times the beginning book value because we haven't taken any depreciation yet. Multiply times 40%. So the first year we can take $960 depreciation. Okay, and our accumulated depreciation is $960. together.